Hi everyone! In this video, I wanted to show you 5 great wedding program options that are super easy to create yourself and are a great way to save money for your wedding budget. The 5 programs we're going to talk about today are the popular newspaper program, our fan program, a bifold program, a trifold program, and the classic 4x8 double-sided wedding program. All of these program options are available in our Etsy shop, Creative Union Design. These are all editable using the free program Adobe Reader. And if you would like more information on how to edit in Adobe Reader, I have a separate video just for that, and hopefully I'll be able to add a link in this section for you to click. First up, we have our popular newspaper program. These programs are one of our top sellers in our Etsy shop. We have 2 versions of the full sheet size, one that has a fun word search on the back, and the other one that displays a wedding timeline. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create these newspaper programs. The first thing you want to do is figure out what type of paper you would like to use. We recommend this Parchment paper, and I will include a link for this in the comments section below. These also print great on white matte paper, so feel free to experiment. Now we can get to the fun part, printing and assembling. Well, not that much assembling. You will want to print these double-sided on the paper of your choice. I printed both versions just to show you both options and to show you 2 options for displaying the newspaper programs at your wedding ceremony. I have seen couples use 3 different ways of displaying these. First is to simply lay these flat on each chair or have them ready to hand out to your guests. The second is a simple fold so they look more like a stacked newspaper. And the third is a lovely rolled technique tied up with twine to give these a more vintage scroll look. Whatever you decide to do will be perfect. Next up, we have these simple and classic bifold programs. These hold a little more information, and if you're having a longer wedding ceremony, these would work well for you. You can easily print the bifold programs on standard paper, or if you like, you could print these on a thicker cardstock. Once you have these printed, simply fold in half to create the classic bifold program. If you have a larger ceremony or would like to include more information for your guests, this trifold program may be the right option for you. These print great on standard paper, and you can follow the fold lines as a guide. We have a variety of designs in the trifold style, or if you need something custom, just let us know. We're always happy to assist our customers any way we can. If you're having a smaller ceremony or a smaller wedding party, we have these great 4x8 double-sided programs. These easily print on white matte cardstock. Then you can follow the crop marks to easily trim these for your wedding ceremony. And again, if you don't have a home printer, you can either take these to a local copy center or let us know and we can help you with printing. We are able to print this size and ship these right to your door. Last but definitely not least, we have our very popular fan programs. I'm going to show you in detail how easy it is to create these fun and functional programs. You'll want to start with your sheet printed on white matte cardstock. Then you'll use a straight edge and the back of your X-Acto knife. Notice I'm using the back of the knife to gently score the paper. Scoring just means that you break the fibers of the paper slightly so the paper will fold easily. Now that you have your paper folded, you want to begin to trim out the 5x7 fan by following the crop marks. Try to trim without fully cutting away the edges. This way you can continue to use the crop marks as a guide. Once you have your fan cut, you can take your handles and line them up where you would like them to stick out of your fan. Then when you have that marked on one handle, you can mark up the rest of your sticks so that all of the handles have a uniform length. Now we can get our double-sided tape and begin to adhere the handle to the paper, as well as creating a border of tape so when the fan is closed, it will not have any gaps or areas that are not fully adhered. I recommend double-sided tape for this because I found that with glue, sometimes the paper can warp. When you have your fan fully assembled, you can trim the corners with a corner cutter to round them, or you can add embellishments like ribbon or lace. These are perfect for outdoor weddings, especially on those hot summer days. Whatever style your wedding is, we have a wide variety of programs and sizes to meet your needs. And when you purchase from Creative Union Design, you're getting peace of mind, knowing that if you have any questions or need some suggestions, we are always here to help. We include detailed instructions and our contact information with every download. Every couple deserves to have a wedding that's as unique and special as they are. We hope one of our programs adds a distinct, creative touch that your guests will remember for years to come. We hope you found this video helpful. Please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.